Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is how your next 7 days are going to be. Charms reading. Yes, friends, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Subscribe and join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. And this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime, and also we'll be using charms here. So, how are you, friends? I hope you are staying positive and not giving up on hope. Yes, friends, times are a bit confusing, but we know, we have been through a lot, isn't it? But we'll come out of it. Don't worry. So stay positive and keep watching Magic Wens Tarot. Subscribe, like, and share because your subscriptions matter, friends. They keep me inspired and boosted. So please do share your love, support, and share it with your friends. So maybe they will also feel positive. and so let's take a deep breath, and today's choices are really cute because I wanted the energies to be light and friendly. So today's let's take a deep breath and choose today's pick a card. Option number 1, this beautiful raccoon. It's very cute. Option number 2, this beautiful duckling. Option number 3, the beautiful owl. Very cute. So relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3, friends. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly go there and choose your option. You can also choose more than one option, yes. Make sure to watch the May pick a card also, friends. I've already done them, more are coming, and horoscope readings also. So make sure to check that out also. So let's begin with pile number 1. Let's see how your next 7 days are going to be. Option number 1, let us see what's going to happen for those who chose this beautiful raccoon. Raccoons are, this raccoon looks very happy actually. This looks kind of like mischievous to me, like it is planning some naughtiness or some sort of a mischief. So, which is an interesting energy. Let's see. Also, raccoons are very powerful in the sense like they are very smart. They are very clever. They are very smart people. These are your extra messages. We're gonna look at them shortly, and your charms, we're gonna take a look at that also. So let's see how your next 7 days are going to be. Oh my god, oh my god. Right now you are feeling a bit confused about certain things. I feel there is some sort of an opposition around you. Exactly. I was thinking the same thing when you choose the raccoon. So I do feel there is some sort of an opposition, or there is like your heart is saying one thing, your head is saying another. I also feel like there is a push and pull energy in your relationships right now. So you feel like angst. There is this growing angst or frustration in you also, friends, right now. I feel that, maybe you are a little bored, so you need some sort of an excitement or some sort of a competition, because I feel two things with it. You're already facing some opposition which you are upset and frustrated about, like competition at work or something like that, or people not understanding you, and you are like, ugh, why are you not understanding me? Why can't you understand me? And for others, I feel like you're feeling a little bored, so you need some sort of an excitement. So, some sort of a you need some sort of a competition, some fun, some excitement. You're craving for that. So there are two energies here, and occasionally, you may experience clashes with others. If you decide the matter is worth your energy, then do so what you can to minimize the conflict without sacrificing your goals or beliefs. So, I do feel like right now you're feeling like everything is against you, people, situations, the world situations. But friends, we have to keep this in mind. We are all going through something. It's if you are facing opposition, it's not just you. all of us at some point or in some way are being, facing some sort of a situation here. um, so don't worry about it. It is, I would say it is up to you whether you want to, keep arguing about it, or you want to, focus your energies on something else. I do feel you are a little frustrated. You are feeling like everyone is against me. What am I supposed to do? It's not a fun energy. It is not a good energy. But I think if you are feeling lonely, I would suggest you, it's not just you. We are all feeling this lack of support. At the same time, this, presence of support. So be patient, I would say that. Let's see what else is happening this week. Ooh, the Three of Pentacles. So I do feel you're very busy at work. So it is like, you want to do something, you want to achieve, you want to go out and work, or you want to achieve something in your work and career, but maybe it's not happening right now. Like you wanted more grades for exams, but it's not happening right now. So there is that angst, there is that frustration in you, but I feel in the next 7 days you will find more support of the people. You will find people are ready to understand you, they are more ready to help you out. So whatever is causing this opposition or quarrel, arguments or difference of opinion, that will be resolved in the next 7 days. And look, this matches with my nail paint, so that's wonderful. So matching views will happen for you. Things will match, people will try to understand you, um, people will also try to help you out in some way, especially in your work and career, and also in relationships. So congratulations. And I also feel your focus this 7 days will be more on work, on career, on building your relationships in some way. Your most satisfying and profitable career comes from following your passions, listening to your heart, and doing what brings you joy. Your life purpose is best fulfilled by allowing your talents and true self to shine forth into the world. So I do feel maybe some of you are like, no, you don't want to change something, you don't want to go out in the world and show who you really are. Something you have to do, and in this the next 7 days you will find it easier to do, to change, to do something in your work, to adapt to your work, to adapt to the current situation. You will find it easier to do those things, adapt. Raccoons are very good at adapting. When they are on a tree, you just can't find them because they are very good in hiding, in camouflaging. It's just that their furs are such that they can hide, especially in the environment they are. So you will be able to adapt this week, which is wonderful, because right now you are having a little problem in adapting to the situation, adapting to some sort of change, adapting to opposition, adapting. This angst is there. Oh my god, you are the angry young man. And women, I know the women will get upset if I don't say women. No, you guys are amazingly sweet, and you never get upset. So yeah. And the Six of Cups. So this week, you're also a bit nostalgic. So next 7 days, you're gonna be a little nostalgic. You're missing somebody from the past. Also, you are in double minds whether you should talk to that person or you should not talk to them, whether they were a soulmate or they are not. So I do feel there is somebody missing you from the past, and they want to come and make things, work things out with you. They want to talk with you. They want to heal this situation. But somewhere they are like, nah, their ego is coming in between. So that is definitely happening in the next 7 days. Someone from the past is thinking about you, they want to contact you, and for some of you, I do feel they will try to contact you and message you. This person from the past could be a lover, could be a friend, a family member. I do see that there will be love and hope and healing happening in your relationships of all sorts. Ace of Winter, yeah, definitely clarity is coming for you in the next 7 days. So I do feel you're missing some sort of a clarity or sense of purpose, or like what you need to do. So that will come to you, a victory, a sense of purpose and clarity. And yes, some communications are also coming. I do see something, you're waiting for some communications. It is coming. It is coming in the next 7 days, and it will change your life in some way. Like this communication or this breakthrough is like, Yes, finally you got it. It is that aha moment. And let's read the card. Implementation of your brilliant new ideas may get off to a rocky start, but keep going. Keep you the challenges will keep you to refine your plan and reshape your goals into something which is much better. So yeah, I do see that, in your work and career you are changing your mind, or you have to adapt. You have to adapt to the situation, whatever is happening, or whatever. You need to make some changes, and you know what you have to do, but you're a little hesitant to make these changes. But I do feel in the next 7 days you will find it easier to adapt, you will find it easier to help people, and people will help you. So some changes will be easily, help is there. So it will be easier to make some changes in your career, in your studies. I also feel in love, in family, especially in family, there are some sort of a tension going on in your family, some conflict, arguments, some ego battles are going on, friends. Don't worry, have some peace, focus on peace, try to focus on your work, try to adapt to that situation. Also, even if you do nothing, I do see some positive healing coming. Six of Cups, healing happening, peace coming in your life. So, woohoo! We all need that. Peace, healing, we all need that. The Two of Autumn, you are very busy, friends. You are very busy, and I think the next 7 days will go well if you focus more on your work, if you focus more on your career, your future, on constructive things. If you focus on that, you will have easy peasy next 7 days. But if you are focusing too much on your ego, or too much on what people are not doing, what the world is not doing, oh, it's gonna feel a bit heavy then for you. I also see that you will have a lot of work or a lot of ideas on your mind, so you will feel a little. Um, you will not be sleeping, I feel, because you're so active. Maybe it's your birthday, you are in Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or maybe, I do feel someone's birthday is coming, maybe in the family or something. I feel like you are in need of a competition. Like you need to play some sports or something like that to get this aggression out. Maybe you should try some mobile games or something, which gets you, which gets you going, which gives you a chance to win, do something new. I do feel you are very busy the next 7 days, and you will have to really balance out, what you want to do in the next 7 days. You want to work, you want to do this, because there is a lot on your mind. So you are like, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this. So you will have to pick which things you want to do, friends. Yes, you're really busy. Multitasking is very essential. Especially, I feel if you are a mother, or if you are a person who is looking after a family, oh my God, you're gonna be really busy. So, yes, you may be under stress because of multiple jobs or because of too many responsibilities for one person to handle. It is important to balance your work and personal life and bring a spirit of fun to all you do. See, that's what you need: fun, happiness, joy, love. That's what you need, friends. And if it is not happening, like if people around you are not giving you this fun, try to find it. Watch a movie. I do feel you should watch Bambi, the movie. It's an old movie, but I really like it. And I mean, it's a beautiful movie, especially to calm yourself and feel like cozy and all those things. Bambi. There is which one? The one with the rat, Rotoli. There is the one with the rat in it. The rat is a chef. You should watch those movies. Watch any cartoons or something. Lighten up, friends. Lighten up. Take a little break. Seven of Winter. Wow. All right. Okay, so definitely in love, you are dealing with someone who is quite sneaky, and someone from the past or someone new is coming towards you, but you will have a tough time trusting that person. Someone is definitely approaching you in the next 7 days, or they have already approached you. This person is like they may have hurted you, or this person is like is an opposite of you, or you don't trust them. there is this energy, like you don't trust this person, or they do something which is not trustworthy in your way, in your values, so someone is coming and they are your soulmate, so there is a purpose. You may not, you may have this attraction with this person, a lot of sexual chemistry, a lot of attraction, a lot of passion, but still at the same time you will be like, at the back of your mind you are like, can I trust them, can I trust them? So that's going on in the back of your mind. Someone is coming. Caution will help you avoid the loss of valuables, including financial resources, and such as including financial resources or peace of mind. Be aware of the results of your actions as well as what others might be doing behind your back. Wow. I do feel, friends, there is a lot of people talking about you, because I feel like you guys are doing something which you are very successful at. So people are talking about you. I do feel like, you have something which other people want, or you feel like other people have something. I feel this is somebody from the, someone from family, or somebody from love, love area or family. They feel you have something and they are coming to get it, because, but you have to listen to your intuition, friends. This person may or may not be trustworthy. I'll take a clarifier here, but it feels like you are also not able to trust them. They are a soulmate, yes, there is attraction, they are opposites. The Seven of Winter, clarify that. Stork, a new beginning, number 17. So yeah, I would suggest you, another two births are here. I would suggest you that there is a new birth or new start happening in this connection, but you have to take it slow, friends, because this person is still they are changing. They haven't changed yet. Even if they are a new person, take it slow, this connection. Fox, yeah, this person is foxy. Foxy lady, foxy person, in the sense like, and they are mysterious. So take it slow, friends. Take your relationship slow. You will have a little tough time trusting people this week. So, yeah, that's for sure. And look at that, Seven of Spring. I would suggest you, friends, in your work and career, you are very ambitious. And be ambitious, be ambitious. Be proactive, which is good for you. Be assertive, believe in yourself, and don't let anyone take away your personal power. Trust that your inner guidance is true and follow it completely. So, listen to your intuition, friends. If you feel something is not right or someone is not saying the truth, trust yourself. If you feel someone is just trying to pick a fight with you, trust yourself. You have to trust your intuition, friends. You are brilliant, you are amazing, and you must listen to your intuition. Another thing, in the next 7 days will be important is enjoy life. Don't be too serious about life. Don't be too serious about what people are doing or not doing. Try and enjoy life. Try and do something which is fun, and it's very important. The star, see, your wishes will come true. So it is important to focus on what you really want. There is this energy of struggle, but there is also an energy of hope, an energy of peace, an energy of creativity coming for you. So grab that up, friends, and don't let anybody burst your happy bubble. I do feel, friends, the next 7 days are like you are doing well, you are happy, you are busy, you are enjoying life, but somebody comes and they wanna burst your bubble just because they see you are happy. So don't let that happen. Don't let that happen. And I feel a wish will come true for you, friends, this week. Yes, your wishes are coming true. Whatever you want will happen for you, and very quickly. So trust in that, believe in yourself. You are about to take a big leap of faith in your life, and worry will be replaced with optimism, and fear will be replaced with hope, and joy is coming to you. So wow, this is beautiful. All that is causing you pain or worry, it will be healed, friends. It will be resolved this week. This is wonderful, and we will have the charms also, so worry not. Breathe, number 29. Yes, friends, it is important to relax a little this week, because you are very ambitious, you are very focused, you want to achieve a lot. I would suggest you to watch some movies, get your hands in the games, try some games. If you have a garden, or if you have a mud or something, try planting something. It will help you. Mending, number 52. So, yes, your relationships are definitely heading towards resolutions, peace, and someone wanting to come back, saying sorry, although they are very egoistic and they are also a little mischievous, but they are coming back and they want to say hi and I'm sorry. Hey, how are you? So, that's there. Simply love, number 6. Yes, friends, it is very important to love yourself this week. It is also important to forgive others. I know it is tough. I know it is tough when others are wrong and we have to forgive them. It is one of the toughest things, but focus on the love, friends. Don't forgive if you cannot at this point of time, but focus on love. Focus on finding peace. Focus on finding the peace within. There is a lot of support for you. Accept it. Say yes to it. And there are two six of cups. Look at that, six of cups, both are the same card. So that is a double energy. Everything that is happening to in your life in the next 7 days is a soulmate energy, you may feel that person is not right or they don't understand you, but at the end of the day there is still love in that connection. Sometimes it is hard to see love, especially in times of opposition, difference, or conflict, or arguments. But there is love, friends. There is love. At least there is love coming for you. Shine, number 19. Yes, friends, don't let anybody dull your sparkle this week. You are doing amazingly. Keep focusing, keep doing what you are doing, and don't let anybody stop you, friends. Go for it. Let us see your advice. And I also feel some for singles, a new love is coming. So you should check out who is coming for you reading. I have done that new person coming in for you, who is coming next for you. You can check that reading out. But I do feel a new person is coming or somebody from the past is coming. But you need to keep shining, friends. That's important. Let's take your advice, then the charms. Discernment, all is not what it seems. Stay true to your knowing. Uh, keep your dreams a secret. Oh my God. Oh my God. So, yeah, it is time, friends. You have a lot of success coming in, or you have a lot of love coming in, but you should keep it a little private. You should keep it a little to yourself, because I do see that maybe others are just not happy about what you have, or people are not ready, they are yet not ready to understand you, or to accept that love you have. So just keep it. And also discernment, the advice for you is also like, focus on love instead of fear. Focus on love. Choose what is fear, false evidence appearing real. So choose love, friends. So every time you have a bad thought, try and think of something happy. If you can't, just play Magic Wednesday. You'll feel happy automatically. Option number 1. What is coming next for them in the next 7 days? So try to focus on love, friends. That's important. Instead of worry, choose love. Instead of aggression, choose happiness. Okay, see, attachment. Someone is very attached to you. Okay, let's just... I hope you can see them. Okay, alright, you can. Oh, BAT, bat. Oh, bata. I don't know. Maybe that's important for some of you. Bat, atta could be a word for a place for some of you. I don't know. Tab could also be a name. Taba or something. So there is bat is also very bats are, if you know bats, they are very intuitive. They have they can perceive sound waves. They have very high I don't know what do you call those things. I'm forgetting it right now because I'm channeling this reading. Okay, so they have this energy to bats can supersonic rays. They can understand those the supersonic frequencies. So you are like a bat, very intelligent this week. So focus on that. Other people may not like it that you are so successful or you have such intuition or something like that, but That's okay. Keep it a secret. Also, I feel someone is very connected with you, and they could be connecting with you through telepathy or something like that. So, BATA, those are your initials, and your numbers are number 19 and number 77. So, those are important. 777, magical number. Apple, yes, friends. If you are worried about your health or some health issues or healing issues, yes, health will be better, friends. Your health will get better. So, relax, don't worry. Keep focusing on relaxing, breathing, and staying positive. The white bead, the bead of peace. Focus on the peace, the dark horse. Yes, friends. I do feel you are very strong, friends. You are stronger than you know. So trust yourself. The green, this is about healing, friends. If you are worried about love or money, don't worry, money will come and love will also come. Your relationships will heal, so don't worry. And look at that, there is this marriage ring. Ooh, lovely. So, commitment is coming for you, friends, and some of you could be getting, in the next 7 days, someone might propose you, or a commitment will happen, or talks of marriage are important. Your thoughts about marriage will be there. Attachment, yes, you're very attached to something, or someone is very attached to you. This is the wheel of fortune. So, yes, your luck is changing. You're very lucky. This bead is about, fear. Don't listen to, the energy of fear or ego. Listen to love, fish, skeleton. Let go of the past, Let the past go. The past is coming back to you in some way. You may miss somebody. You may think about why they went away. You may feel angry or upset about the past. Heal from it, friends. Try and heal from it. Giver, yes, I do feel someone very kind is coming towards you. Snake, yes, there is going to be a transformation, a change in your love life is coming, and your life in general is coming. Eight of Cups, yes, you are going to recover from a past loss in this week. You may have lost something in the past, but you are recovering from it. Water, yes, be like a water. Make sure to drink more water this week. Also, stay fluid. How do you say? Be like water. I don't know how to say it in easy ways. Inspiration, yes, friends, you are inspiring a lot of people, so stay positive. And look at that, born to shine. Oh my god, this is beautiful. You are shining, friends, and look at that. I pulled the charms in front of you, and look at that, born to shine. So, friends, keep shining and keep staying positive. Don't let anybody or anything dim your light. We love you, and subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, if you chose option number 2, this beautiful cute duck, wow, this is super cute. Let us see what is going to happen in the next 7 days for you. This is super cute, and I have your charms also. Here it is in the bag. Let's see what your next 7 days have in store. These are your oracle and advice cards. Let's see. All right. So next 7 days, what's gonna happen for you? You're definitely waiting for something, friends. I do feel you start the week, or you are currently feeling like you're waiting for something. You're like, how long will this wait? When our wait will be over? That's your biggest question. When your wait will be over? When things will get, better? When will things get moving? You are definitely waiting for something, and I feel this is like you're waiting for money to come in, or work to progress, or some news or messages or love to come in. You're like, when are we gonna find the love? You have seen those cartoons where there is a little duck and she's saying, oh, when will I find love? All right, friends, you're waiting for something. Yes, that's how you start the next 7 days. The planning, resources, and efforts you have invested in your dream will reap good rewards. So, yes, your rewards are coming. In the meantime, have patience and meditate on your next step. So, you're definitely doing that. I feel you're meditating, you're waiting for news to come in, you're waiting for things to turn your way because you have done your hard work. Let's see what else. Okay, so I feel the next 7 days you are going to be very busy because that news you are waiting, or that message you are waiting, or whatever you are waiting for, I feel it is gonna come in. So you're gonna be really busy. You're gonna be very, very busy, friends. A lot of people are calling you. A lot of people, I see a lot of messages, emails, calls. So you are busy. Also, I see you watching a lot of things, binge watching or planting, working in the garden, work trying to learn something. You're very focused. You're very busy with communications. You're also very focused. This is wonderful, friends. This is wonderful. You have been presented with many wonderful opportunities all at once. While this may feel very stressful, remember to be grateful for the blessings that life showers on you. So, wow, this is beautiful. I feel the next 7 days you're gonna be busy, you're gonna have to multitask, but remember to be grateful about the good things in life. Also, your workload might increase. I feel there is a lot of communications. I see a lot of people calling you, you talking to them, emails, news, telephones. But you will be able to manage it all, friends. You will be able to manage it. Don't worry. Let's see what else. I also feel that some of you are 4 of autumn. Yeah, I do feel like some of you will be working from home, or you are working. Whatever you are working on, you are not sharing to many people. It feels like that. You are trying to protect things. You are also trying to your ideas, whatever is on your mind, you're trying to protect it by not sharing it. I do feel in the next 7 days you might take a little break from social media, or you are so busy that you have less time to spend on social media. That might also happen. I also feel in the next 7 days you will try to invest your money or to protect your money in some way. Money is very important to you, friends. In the next 7 days, you are like, should you invest your money? You will definitely be putting your money in home projects, in home paintings, renovations, buying something for the home or something like that. So you wanna put some money, or for your health also you might invest in health, your money into health and all those things. So your focus is on investing, building something rather than spending. So that is the energy, friends. You want to spend, you want to invest, not spend too much. Be cautious about be cautious about living a life of extremes, or seeing things in a black and white manner. All right, consider, for example, whether you are spending too much versus hoarding your wealth, or giving too much emotionally versus building up, pushing people away. So, wow, that's interesting. So, next 7 days, you will also have a lot of people trying to reach out to you, but it is up to you whether you want to reach out to them or not. You may feel a little confused, friends, like this card says. You may feel like, should you say hello or should you say no, 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 no? I feel this is a like, you're a little shy this week, friends. I don't know why you are shy, but you are a little shy. I also feel another thing here. Someone is shy, someone who is in long distance, no contact, or who has been hiding a secret admirer. They will be trying to reach out to you this week, because they have been waiting for the right time to make a move towards you, and they are going to make a move. This could be a lover from the past, or a new person, like somebody, a secret admirer. They are trying to reach out to you. It's up to you whether you want to say hello or not. Prince of Cups. So, wow, this is beautiful. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person will be important to you. I also feel, yes, a proposal of love or some new friends are coming your way. Also, you may be feeling a little alone, but if you step out and talk to people, you will find or make some new friends. A new love is definitely coming for you. A deeply a deeply emotional and a deeply emotional experience will sweep you off your feet. Things can never let me I mean just wait a second. Things will move very quickly during this time, and expect romantic encounters, and stay balanced and make decisions which are both from your heart and your mind. So I do feel this is a bit emotional week for you. Also, your focus is mostly on work, on money, but I do see some friendships and love offers are coming. People want to talk with you. People will You will also talk a lot, you will also collaborate with people a lot. I see a new lover or secret admirer coming towards you. This person has been waiting to reach out to you since a long time. Also, some work opportunity could be coming, some new ideas coming to you. So keep your mind open, friends. Eight of autumn, again you are very busy, friends, you are very busy. I see you will be reading books this week. So next 7 days you are trying to learn something. Maybe a new person is coming, so you want to know everything about them, their past, their future, why they are coming for you, why they like you, why they don't like you, why they ran away. So you have a lot of questions. 8 8, wow, that's amazing. I do feel some of you will be also mugging your courses. Whatever you are studying, you will be actually working very hard on it, and especially in your work also you'll be working hard. Deadlines are there, so you're working, studying, you're busy at something which you are enjoying also. So it's not like you're bored, it's like you're enjoying it. Also, I feel somebody from the past wanna come back, and they wanna put the effort in this connection. This person is not like from the past. This person is someone who just lost contact with you, or who was waiting for the right time to come back to you. They will wanna put in the effort. They will keep calling you now. They will message you good morning, good nights, and you are like, what happened to this person suddenly? They want you, friends. That's what happened. Eight of Springs. Let us see Eight of Wands. What is this about? Eight of Wands. Fish, number 34. Yeah, I do feel you are working very hard because you feel like you need to protect yourself in some way. You need more money, or you are doing two jobs, or you are handling, you may be under a bit of pressure at work because you want to protect yourself in some way. Because it's, I don't know how to say this. You're working too much, or you are, because you want to save some money. That's what I feel. You want to buy a house, you want to buy something, or money is coming less, so you're working more so that you can make up for the loss. Eight of autumn, clarify that. What is this Eight of Pentacles about? Luck. You're very lucky, friends. Yes, I do see you. Some of you will be getting an opportunity to work, like a side job or something. You will be busy doing that, and if you are already working, you will be more busy. You will earn more money. You are very lucky also this week, so congratulations. Release, number 13. Yeah, I do feel something from the past is still bothering you. Something from the past, like some baggage is there, some heartbreak is there. Maybe you lost a pet or something like that. You lost something, you're still emotional about that thing. It is still causing you some pain. It is like you should, there is some worry, there is some pain, but it's time to release it. It's time to heal from it. You will It is time to release the past and move on to something new. This ending is the first step to the to this ending is the first step towards a happier life. So yeah, I do feel like some of you are very attached to some past person or relationship. It will be tough for you to move on, even though a new person, a new friendship is coming in. But I would say, friends, go for it, friends. Go for the new person, because they are coming. King of Water, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, both people are important. So some of you could be getting a choice in love, like a past person, a new person, or a new friendship, and a past friend is coming back. So you have to decide which one you want to talk to. Um, I also feel this week, the next 7 days, you will be very busy with communications, all sorts of communications. Your mind is also very active, lots of ideas coming. And at this time, it is very important that you communicate clearly, be objective, and act as professionally as possible. If you need advice, seek out the most experienced expert you can find. Yeah, I feel like you are working hard to become an expert in whatever you are doing. That's how I feel the next 7 days are for you. You are going to achieve a mastery. You are going to create a masterpiece in something. Maybe you will finish a book, maybe you will make something cooking, and you will make something wonderful. Maybe you will write a song or something, and you're gonna do it. You're gonna like do it, surprise yourself. And the Princess of Cups. Wow, this is beautiful. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person again is important to you. I do feel this is a week, where you will feel a bit emotional at times, and bit like, oh, let's work. It is like you're busy all day, but when you sleep you remember this person and you are like, oh, what if they could hug me, what if they were with me. So that kind of an energy is there. So yeah, you can expect to kindle a new romantic relationship or close friendship. You may suddenly receive an emotional message from someone or be invited to a social event. So yeah, I do feel that someone who left you is wanna come back, and they are waiting for the right time. I feel they are crying for you, and they still feel very passionate about you, but they don't know how to come back towards you. They just don't know. But I do feel this next 7 days there will be a change of luck, and this person will come in. Piece number 23. So, yes, friends, you are going to find freedom from the past. All the past worries, pain, whatever is causing you pain, you will find peace in the next 7 days. You will find hope. You will find support. You will find luck also. No place like home, number 50. I feel some of you are away from your home and you're missing your home, your father, your mother, your grandparents, or you're nostalgic about something like, you want to go back to your childhood where life was simpler. You're missing something, friends, but you know what, there is a lot of support around you. We are with you, we are also your family, so don't worry. Let's see what else. Rebuild, number 16. So yeah, you're focusing on building your life, friends. You're focusing on, making solid foundations in the 7 days next. Also, you're trying to learn something, build something, buy a house, buy a car, something like that. Investing in painting, in you're trying to rebuild things in your life. Giving and receiving, number 6. Yes, this time, you will not have to do things alone. I feel you have been alone since a very long time, even though people are there, but there was no one to understand or help you. Next 7 days, you will find more support. You will find people are ready to give to you. By luck, by destiny, things are coming towards you. And the ducks are about comfort. They are about nurturing, taking care of yourself. And ducks, mama duck always, the little ducklings always swim with the mama duck. Have you seen a duck ever in the water? The kids always walk behind the ducks, the mama ducks. So that's how it is. Caring, love, support is there. Let's see the advice, then the charms. Oh my god, rebirth. So wow, this is beautiful. For some of you, this could be a twin flame relationship coming back, or you getting out of a past situation, and some hope, some victory coming into your life. Reinvent yourself, give life to your dreams, and create a new reality. So yes, friends, you are working to create a brand new reality, and you are absolutely lucky. So woof. If you have been disappointed in the past, don't worry, you are going to be given another chance. So yes, let's see, friends, your okay, your charms. What's remember to the next 7 days? All right, I think lots of people are important because you get a lot of words but not much other charms. So let's see. All right, number is stuck in this. Number 4 is stuck in the letter T. Ooh, an X. Oh, okay. So that's not what I don't know. Oh my God, you have double the X. Oh my God. Please don't run away from the reading, please. I have not picked them up. If I could, I would rather not bring it up. All right, the X and X. Oof, my God. Oh my God. All right, let's see. Maybe it's a positive message. Don't worry. Wow, there's a lot of this. I don't know what it is. The X, there is the T, F, V, S, and R. There could be somebody called Texi, Tex, I don't know how do you call this. Rex, maybe. Rexy, Texi. Ooh, my God. Oh my God, friends. So, someone very passionate is coming towards you, and love is on their mind. Absolutely. I also feel a toxic ex is coming back for you. Oh my God, friends. Oh my God. But I feel maybe this time it's a new start. Rebuilding is there, rebirth is there. Also, if you had faced some issues in the past with some trust issues or something, you will recover, friends. You will definitely recover from that. So the initials are TEXRSVF. And facts could be a message coming towards you, a quick message coming, a quick message coming. Number 4, number 12 are important. 4 is the month of April, so maybe that is important. 12 could be December, or 12th of April is important. Pineapple, reconciliation, reunions. Also, you finding joy in life, you finding happiness in the everyday life. Red car, feeling passionate, finding that passion to, recreate your life. The car, I do feel someone with I think some of you are trying to save money to buy a new car or invest in a new car, a new house, or something. You are working on that, but you are not buying it right now, of course, but you are investing in it so you can buy it in the future. Another thing I feel is someone with a beautiful car is coming towards you, someone who owns a car or who is into cars, bikes, and all those things. The shoe, yeah, I feel you are very busy this week. You will also be, traveling in the mind, traveling, walking a lot, jogging, fitness routines, all those things are important. Home, yeah, you're missing your home. I don't know what is home to you, but you're kind of missing it. And some of you are also trying to build or increase your wealth, money, increase your money, creativity. So, yes, friends, you are very creative this week, so focus on your creativity. February is important for some of you. Time, yes, things are happening at the right time with divine timing. 4 of Cups, a missed opportunity, feeling bored. 10 of Cups, spending time with family is very important to you. Home is important. Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. 7 of Coins, 7 of Coins is already here, the card. Patience, waiting. Twins, oh wow, some of you could be planning to get birth or get pregnant, and you could be expecting twins, or it could be a twin flame connecting back to you. You are meeting a person who is your twin flame. Father, yeah, some father, for some of you, father-in-law or father is important. You're missing your father or something. Saturn, yeah, whatever happened in the past was a learning lesson. It had to happen. Saturn is the law of karma. 3 of Swords, a heartache was supposed to happen, so that things can be rebuilt, because the foundation of that relationship was not strong at that point of time. But maybe there is a reunion now, or with a new person you will start. X is here, yeah. 6 of Cups, wow, definitely a soulmate is coming, a giver, someone who is kind, who is giving, who is nurturing. And Ladybug, and you are very lucky, friends. You are absolutely lucky this week. So yes, make me lucky also. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye for now. So, friends, if you chose option number 3, let us see how your next 7 days will be. If you chose this beautiful owl, wow, this is super cute. I feel this is a very intuitive week for you, friends. Let us see how it will be. This is a charms reading. I'll be pulling your charms shortly. These are your oracle messages. We're gonna look at them shortly. Let's see what's happening in the next 7 days for you. All right. Wow. I think you are right now feeling a lot of pressure, a lot of burden on you. So, right now, you are like, oh my God, when are things gonna end? It is a crunch point for you. You have a lot of burdens, you have a lot of responsibilities. I feel like, are you feeling tired, friends? Because I feel this, body aching, or energy of feeling tired, feeling burdened. It's okay, friends. 10 is the energy of relief, 10 is the energy of positivity. So, things are going to get lighter. Maybe you're feeling like life is getting very heavy right now. So, it's we are all feeling that, friends. Even though I'm smiling does not mean that I don't feel it also, but we are all feeling it. But what keeps me going is that we are all together. We are all together, and this is one of those times when we are together. All the earth is together. Just imagine that. When was the last time it ever happened that all of us were together like this? So, this is there is a blessing here. So, if you're feeling burdened, things will pass, friends. Things will pass, and things will get easier for you, definitely. You are working very hard now, and the stress will become too much for you. Reach out for help and take some time to rest and enjoy life. So, yeah, I do feel you have a lot on your plate right now, and I would suggest you, to be smart and to not to do so much work and to take some time to enjoy and play life also. Enjoy and play also. Also, don't worry so much. Don't be, I don't know. Maybe there is maybe you lost a job or something, or maybe you are burdened because of financial responsibilities. Things will get better. Give it some time. Give it some time. Five of Cups, yes. I do feel some of you are also feeling disappointed with love, like you are missing somebody, but that person is away from you. Your husband or wife is away from you, so you're missing them. They are not able to call you because they are very busy at work, also. So, or you both are very busy. So, there is this energy of missing somebody, but you can't reach out to them, or they are missing you, but they can't call you. So there is this energy of you're missing a lot of people, missing somebody specific this week. But I feel like, if you are single, you're also feeling like, oh, we are single. When will we find somebody to mingle? Don't be sad, friends. Don't be sad. That's what I would suggest you. Fears, focus upon the fact that. um Focus upon the fact that God loves you and always has the highest of intentions for you. A positive outlook makes it easier to recover from life's little difficulties so that you can move forward and upwards. Wow. So this is a wonderful reminder, friends. What an amazing message that God loves you. If you are feeling left out, if you are feeling like you are alone, you are single, friends, God love you. I am also here, everybody is here, so don't worry. Also, friends, if you are working too much, it's okay to take out a time out for yourself. Don't burden yourself, don't stress yourself so much. I think some of you are really worried about the money situation. The Emperor, yes, I do feel some of you are very hardworking and you are very ambitious people. So, you sitting, just sitting at home doing nothing or facing this strange kind of the world situation is not easy. You guys are leaders, you guys are achievers. So, it is like, what is happening? But I feel like you guys are leaders, so you will come out and you will lead in this situation also, whatever you are going through right now. Another thing I'm feeling is in the next 7 days, you're gonna recover. If you have a lot of workload, you're gonna come on top of it. If you are feeling sad, you're gonna come on top of it happy. So whatever is, you're gonna take charge of that situation. Structure and organization are important right now. See, don't be afraid to take on a leadership role or as you have much wisdom to offer others. So I do feel that whatever you are feeling, whatever is not going your way is actually making you very strong, friends. Whatever is happening, whatever these burdens are, whatever is happening, it is making you strong, it is making you a leader, it is making you connect with your power. If you have been single for a long time, it has made you very strong. If you have faced some challenges, like if you are facing money issues, don't worry, you are learning how to work with little resources. When you have little, how do you work? Like, see, if you are making a dish but you have only 3 ingredients, you can still make an amazing dish because that's who you are. You are an amazing person. You can make magic out of thin air. So believe in yourself, friends, and believe in your leadership skills. You can do it. Ace of Pentacles. So, yes, friends, I do feel a new job opportunity is coming, especially for those who are worried about money and work situation. Your work will start, your work will, some money is coming in, some money. Money situations, business ideas, new businesses are coming. I also feel for some of you, working from home might be very stressful, but you will find relief, friends. You will find relief. Another thing I'm getting is yeah, I do feel that, there is going to be some of you are going to start learning something new because, your current work or your current job is very stressful. So, you want to change that. You want to start something, learning something new, nutrition, finances, gardening, farming. You will start learning this online, and, it will start as something you just want to do it. You will have You'll just do it just like that, and it will change your life. It will actually help you to earn some money. Like you start singing, but it actually helps you to earn some money in the future. So wonderful. Another thing I'm feeling is that there is a person who is quite egoistic and who is quite busy. They are going through troubles in their life, a lover, a soulmate, a husband or wife. I feel they are missing you and they will try to reach out to you, friends, because they want to talk to you. They are definitely missing you here. Prince of Winter, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Yes, this person could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel they will definitely very quickly will message you, maybe in the next 1 hour or the next one day or the next 1 week. This person is going to message you or you are going to message them, and conversations will start, and this will lead to a strong friendship or a reunion sort of a thing. uh, get ready for progress to speed up. This situation requires you to choose logic and intellect over emotion and make your decisions quickly. So I do feel this is a quick week for you. Before you know, it will be gone, friends. So get ready. Even though you are busy, even though you are a little happy and sad, you will definitely come on top of this week, friends. Yes, something beautiful is coming, a blessing. There is a blessing in disguise for you. It will show itself in the week, so don't worry. The Princess of Spring. Wow, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is also coming your way. I feel some sort of a award is coming, some reward is coming. I think some of you are working very hard, so you will find a reward. Maybe God will reward you with something, or at your work and career, someone will compliment you, someone will award you. If you are a student, you will get through your colleges, you will get through your exams. Another thing I'm getting is, if you are single, you will find new people to talk in this week, and new people want to come towards you. And this will be a very quick romance, a very quick friendship that just begins like that with a hi, and you just never look back because that's how it is. I also see some compliments are coming your way, friends. So, woohoo, you are doing great. And look at that, the Nine of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles. Wow, friends, definitely you're very independent this week. You're very independent, and your focus is, people are loving your independence. You may actually, this independence puts you under a lot of burden because, you have to do everything alone. You expect yourself a lot, but people are coming to help you, friends, so accept that. Also, when this Nine of Pentacles is like money coming your way, a lot of money, your hard work paying off. If you have already started a business, you will find more money in it. Some of you could be planning to start new businesses, change your work and career, and it will be helpful for you, it will be good for you. Another thing is, someone sees you in your power and they are very attracted, friends, very attracted, and they want to come towards you. The Queen of Autumn. Oh my god, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is also important. Oh my god. Friends, I see a lot of people are interested in you this week. A lot of people are important. I also feel that you are definitely coming in charge of, on top of your work and money situation, and also in health. Also, you will have better health. No stress, less stress, better health, better vitality. So this is a good week for you. Next 7 days are good. I also feel people are attracted towards you. Many people will call you and ask you suggestions, how you handled this, how you do this, how you look so good, how your hair are so good, what's the secret, what's the thing, what's that, so lots of people, lots of attention. Ooh, nine of summer. So I do feel your wishes are going to come true. Yoo-hoo. And I also feel this week some of you could be having your birthdays, or some celebrations are coming. Maybe there is a wedding. I also feel that someone will try to take you out on a date, or maybe you will talk with them online on, like it will be like a date, sort of date. I feel. Wow, what else? I also feel like some of you, could be having a new pet, or you are, meeting someone who has a pet, and it will be very nice for you. You will feel very happy. So, yes, finding a pet, connecting with pets, animals, it will really help you. Also, some happiness is coming, some moments to enjoy your life is coming for you this week. So, yes, let's see what else. The fate, number 17. Yes, friends, you are fated for success. You are destined for success. You are destined for happiness. Don't worry, this pressure will end and something beautiful will take its place. Observer, number 49. A lot of people are watching you, friends. A lot of people are watching you, and you are also watching them because you are the owl. I feel someone is watching you and they will make a move in the next 7 days. So let me know. I also feel you could be making or proposing somebody, because I feel like you are also, you are like this cute little person. You have a crush on somebody, and you might say hi to them, and your crush is like, wow. I have done that pick a card reading, friends. Who has a crush on you? You can check that out. I'll try to link it up. So yes. Believe and succeed, number 6, 6 of wands. Yes, friends, success is coming. Not just that, I see a promotion, I see money coming in, I see your life taking charge, relief and happiness coming this week, and clarity, ace of swords. Yes, friends, you're gonna find a freedom from worries. You're gonna find freedom from all this stress and anxiety, and you are like, finally my heart is at peace, I'm happy. So yes, this week will start a bit shaky, but you will definitely end it on a good note, and your heart will be at peace. Like, yes, a victory is there, a sense of purpose is there. Your confusions are over. There is clarity. Let's see the advice and then your charms. Growth. Wow, friends. Yes, you're growing. Your life may seem stagnant, but it is not, friends. We are always constantly growing. So, yes. Seek out a mentor or a guide, take baby steps as you move, and be willing to learn from others. So, wow, I definitely feel a spiritual guide, or maybe a spiritual person is coming, because you have the fate also here. So, something destined is coming your way. And another thing I'm feeling is, there is much people want to learn from you, and there is much you can learn from another person and situation. So keep your mind open. There is a lot of things to learn from, and the owls are very important. The owls learn, they are very wise. They are the wisest of animal totems. So yeah, you are learning a lot now. Let's see your chance, friends. Option number 3. What will happen for them? Alright, we're gonna sit here long. Get your cup of coffee, friends. Lots of charms came out. And also look at this card. This reminds me, like, from the baby you are turning into this wild, big, unicorn. So that's how you're changing. You're becoming, growing. All right. Let's separate the charms a bit so we can look at them, more quickly. All right, friends. So, C is important. Maybe someone is busy, they are far away from you. I told you long distance connection, but they want to reach out to you. Someone living beside a sea or water is important. And C, wow, someone is watching you. You are watching them. Wow, that's important also. SE, I don't know what that means. So, your initials are SE, S double E, and A. And the number 3 is important. 3 could be like some of you are in third parties, but that you will find relief from that, friends. Also, 3 could also be a number like date of birth, or birth date or something, month. Number 1 is also there, number 3 is there. What else? Pineapple, focus on the fun in life, enjoy life, don't be too serious. Apple, take care of your health, eat healthy, get some fruits and vitamin D, sunshine. Dog, loyalty, someone is very loyal to you. Yeah, I do feel you may have a little bit of mood swings, things are a little unclear to you. You are like, when will I find my solutions? You will, friends, you will. And also, this your moods will be like a bit of a mood swing, like you are a bit happy, you are a bit your moods are a bit swinging. Music is very important to you, friends, or someone a musician, or someone who is a singer, or someone will connect with you through music, so that is also important. And the sword of truth is here. Wow, so you are definitely removing any sort of any confusion. You are removing that and finding clarity of belief. Ace of swords, clarity is coming to you, confusions are over, and you're very lucky. See, Lord Ganesha, the Lord of prosperity, is here, so you're very, very lucky, friends. Aeroplane, yes, I do feel some of you could be traveling, or you want to travel, or you could be planning to travel or shift in the future. A long distance connection is important for you. The heart, yes, friends, your heart, I don't know if you know, but you are stressing a lot, so it is affecting your health. Don't stress, be blessed. Okay, oh my god, I think this is a crush energy. Someone is crushing on you and you are crushing on somebody also. Inspiration, wow, this is beautiful. You are inspiring a lot of people and you are the inspiration, and someone is also inspiring you, friends, so that's important. Yellow, dirty fellow, stay positive. Yellow is important. 10 of cups, yes, finding, do something which makes you happy. Family is also there. Twin flame connection is important. Cat, yeah, be like the cat, take care of yourself. Self love is very important. 4 of cups, the feeling of missing, or missing something, somebody or something. Eagle, you're very powerful, connect with your power. X, yeah, somebody from the past is coming. 4 of air, they are waiting and watching, they want to move towards you. Knight of air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Oh my god, you have how much air energy? Communications are very important. Ace of swords, and where is that card? Ace of swords, goodness. Clarity, communications, breakthrough, legal solutions are coming. March, mother, wow, mother is important for some of you. So, yeah, friends, that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.